Croeso nôl i chi, rwan ta.
Siamai.
Helo.
Helo ti.
Mae Non Parry yn dod i mewn i siarad efo ni.
Ie.
A mae Non yn, wel, aml dalentog. Multi-talented.
Aml dalentog. That's a good one.
Fel ti, Matt. Mae hi'n canu, actio, ysgrifennu. Ydy. Mae hi'n fam. Ac mae Non yn dod o Rhyddlan, ger Rhyl. Kind of my patch, yn y gogledd. Anna. Clwyd girl. Mae hi'n briod. Mae hi wedi priodi yr actor.
She's married.
You and John.
Oh,
sorry.
Okay. Oh, I like you and John, though.
Yeah, ac mae'n...
Yeah. That's fine. You're okay. You can marry you and John.
Dach chi'n gwylio cyw Twm Tisian?
Twm Tisian.
Ac mae hi hefyd, ar hyn o bryd, yn actio mewn rhaglen i blant o'r enw Macaroni, a hi ydy'r cymeriad Oli Odl. Yeah.
Oli Odl.
Yeah, cute. Odl is to rhyme. So everything she says is rhymes.
It's kind of like you.
Iawn te. Beth am i ni ddechrau'r wers? Ti'n barod?
Fi'n barod. Yeah, that was good. That was one of our best, I think.
Wel.
Ble? We?
Da iawn.
Beth? What?
Da iawn.
Sit. Sit my... How?
Finally, last programme in the series and we're on the same wavelength. How?
How?
Sit.
Ble?
So,
Beth?
Where do you live, for example?
Ble rwy ti'n byw?
Da iawn. What? Oh, what are you doing now?
Beth ti'n neud nawr te?
Da iawn.
Slang.
Like you've spoken Welsh all your life.
Sit. Lle mae'r tywydd?
Lle mae'r tywydd?
I like that one. That's West Walian, isn't it?
Ti'n iawn. Ond mae hi'n byw yn y gorllewin in the West one. Mae hi'n byw ger
so she'll get
Aberteifi.
my achans. You'll see achan lot on it, isn't it? Yeah, she'll get that. I can use that.
Mae'r rhain yn gyffredinol. You've got lots of stock phrases now that we've learned yn ystod y gyfres during the series.
I have.
So ti'n gallu defnyddio'r rhaina. Beth am, how do you relax?
Sut wyt ti'n neud ymlacio?
Da iawn. No need for neud, just sut wyt ti'n ymlacio?
Sut wyt ti'n ymlacio?
Anferchog. Beth am, what kind of experience is singing?
Beth, experience?
Sut brofiad oedd e?
Sut brofiad oedd e?
Yeah, what kind of experience was it?
OK.
Cyffredinol. Iawn, sgrin nesa.
OK. Ydy.
Ydy. Right. Felly, ydy is the question. Is something or other. So, is Aberteifi nice?
Ydy Aberteifi yn neis?
Da iawn. Is Eden still singing? Or still together, you know? Ydy
Eden dal i recordio neu canu?
Oh!
Is that okay?
Ydy Eden yn dal i recordio
Give me one more. I'm on fire.
Oh, da iawn. Is you and John okay?
Ydy you and John yn okay?
Yn okay. Yn iawn.
Yn iawn.
Da iawn. Ydy you and John yn iawn?
Ydy.
Ydy. Ydy'r plant yn iawn? Now, because plant, children, is plural, more than one, we answer ydyn.
Ydyn.
Yes, they are.
They are. Okay.
Ti'n gweld?
Yeah. So this is another example of how you've got to listen to the first bit of the sentence.
Say yes
to answer it correctly.
or no. Yeah. So always think of yes and no and Gymraeg fel.
Panic. And I always say ydw. People let me off.
Dyna beth ydy ydyn.
Ydy, nac ydy.
So literally means yes.
Ydyn.
Yes, they are.
I'm either on fire today or I'm rubbish. There's no in between.
Dwi'n licio hynna.
So I'm going to need a little look through while you lot at home have a little look at Non Parry in action. Dyna fan hyn.
Dyma ti.